Friends, you've reached the final episode of Bianca's Bookkeeping Bootcamp. You've come a long way, and I'm very proud of you, my little birdies. I've enjoyed watching you learn and grow. You've worked hard and stuck it out. You are strong. You are competent. You are bosses. You are my little bosses. And I'm going to miss you. But hold up. There's no crying in bookkeeping. So, before Bianca gets all sentimental and ruins her mascara, we have a final topic to cover. Let's get to it. In this session, we are going to dig in and see which reports or ratios we can analyze to answer particular questions about a business. This will give you practice on determining where to look for information to answer a particular question you or a client may have about a business. You'll also get some new information on additional reports and what information they can provide for clients. You already know that when you want to know information about a company, the financial statements hold all the information. So, why are we looking at reports instead of directly at financial data, you ask? Well, reports provide more granular data than financial statements produced monthly or quarterly.